How to fix error playing audio in on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix error playing audio on Messenger. Hello friends, so you have to go to your, first of all, you have to go to your phone settings, and then you have to go to install apps or app manager or application app. So now I have install app. Click on install app, and then you have to search for Messenger. Here is it. Click on Messenger, and then you can see here, friends, you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop and press OK. And then now you have to click on storage. You can see the storage icon. Click on storage, and then you have to clear all the cache here. Now go back, and then you can see here app permission. Click on app permission, and then you have to allow the telephone permission, and now you have to allow all the permission here. So this is how you can fix error playing audio on Messenger. Thanks for watching.